Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore some interesting video on World Rainforest Day. World Rainforest Day, a day dedicated to celebrating and preserving one of the Earth's most valuable ecosystems. Join us as we take a journey through the rainforest and explore its wonders in just 5 minutes. Rainforests are the lungs of our planet, providing us with clean air, regulating the climate, and supporting a rich biodiversity. They are home to millions of plant and animal species, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From colorful birds to elusive jaguars, from majestic trees to tiny insects, the rainforest is bursting with life. For thousands of years, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest, relying on its resources while preserving its delicate balance. But today, rainforests face severe threats. Deforestation due to logging, agriculture, and urbanization is causing irreparable damage to these precious ecosystems. However, there is hope. Scientists, environmental organizations, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect and restore the rainforests. Reforestation initiatives are planting millions of trees, creating corridors for wildlife, and restoring the natural beauty of the rainforest. Education and awareness programs are empowering communities to become guardians of their rainforest, promoting sustainable practices and alternative livelihoods. Volunteers from around the world are lending a helping hand, dedicating their time and expertise to support conservation efforts in the rainforest. As we celebrate World Rainforest Day, let us remember that every action counts. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting sustainable products, we can all make a difference. Together, we can protect these magnificent ecosystems for future generations, ensuring that the rainforest's beauty and benefits endure. Happy World Rainforest Day!